Paladay basang-basa ang kita pa'y damang-dama sa aking kalamnan.
He needs to be happy to really succeed as the leader and bring your family close to God. He needs to be happy. He needs to be assured. He needs to trust. He needs to hope. And he will find it only in you.
A happy wedding day, and today it's your day, and sana maging masaya kayo throughout your life, okay? Love you, anak.
Love you too. Thank you.
Wala na kong mahihiling pa. Ikaw at
He cannot be a good leader. He cannot make a holy family without you by his side. Kapag nangangatog na yung tuhod niya, yapusin mo lang yung kanyang balikat. Pag kinakabahan na yung dibdib niya, yakapin mo lang siya. Kapag lumuluha na yung kanyang mga mata, halikan mo lang siya. Telling her, I am always here for you.
Kasi she deserved this eh. Matagal na siyang she has given all her life to us. Siya, of course, next to God, no?
Whatever values we have gained from our parents or from our family, we will pass it down to our children, to our future children.
Di maipagkumpara araw-araw kung dala-dala ako ditong panalangin ko ikaw.
Go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh.
From simple beginning as housemates at room 306, and now my love, my life and soulmate, you are the person that makes me sing, smile and laugh. I love you with all my heart that cannot be expressed with just words. I pledge to honor you, love you, and cherish you as my wife today and for the rest of our lives.
This is very special, and yet we know for a fact na hindi kami nagsusugal. Ganun. And it's just about, this is about closing the deal, sealing the deal actually, with God's permission or with God's blessings.
I will cherish kung ano yung makikita ko sa kanya mamaya na talagang matatalim sa utak ko yun. See you later, so I'm excited kung mamaya paglakad ko sa aisle. So, ayun, ito na yung araw na pinakahihintay ko.